In our daily lives, untoward incidents may happen at any time. You may be the victim or the witness of any crime, be it big or small. Now, given the mixed reactions of people's encounter with the police, we tend to steer away from any kind of legal tussle. But if you know your rights, it's not complicated at all. Hi, this is Advocate Afreen Hussain, currently practicing at Alipur Judges Court, Kolkata, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about FIR and GD. Before we begin, let's know what FIR or First Information Report means. A First Information Report is an information recorded by the police officer on duty made by an aggrieved person or any other person to the commission of the alleged offence. On the basis of the First Information Report, the police commences its investigation. Section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 defines as to what amounts to a First Information Report. You must tell all the details of the cognizable offence to the officer in charge. He or she shall be writing it down. It shall be read over to you and you shall be asked to sign it. A copy of the First Information Report shall be given to you free of cost. Who can file an FIR? An FIR can be filed by any person. He or she need not necessarily be a victim or an injured person or an eyewitness. A First Information Report may be merely hearsay, and it need not necessarily be filed by a person who has first-hand knowledge of the facts. Where to file an FIR? An FIR can be filed in the police station of the concerned area in the jurisdiction where the offence has been committed. Now coming to GD. What is a GD or a general diary? A general diary entry or a daily diary entry is made when any kind of complaint is lodged and the police enters the details in their records. A GD is basically a diary which records everything that happens in a police station. Now, when to file a GD? For your convenience, let me briefly describe a few common scenarios where filing a GD can help. For example, if you lose your phone and file a GD, it will save you from criminal charges if your stolen phone is being used for wrongdoings. If somebody opens a fake account in Facebook by your name attempting to tarnish your reputation, a GD will be a legal document which you can use in your defense. Again, if you lose your passport or academic certificates, filing a GD will be a step in the process to issue a new one. Now, what is the procedure to file a GD? You can write a GD yourself, addressing it to the officer in charge, describing all the details of the incident. You have to take 3 sets of application and ask the officer on duty at the police station to lodge the GD. Each GD contains an entry number and a date. The duty officer keeps a copy at the police station. Another copy is delivered to the petitioner with the sign and seal of the police station, and the third copy is kept for the investigating officer. Now coming to the difference between a GD and an FIR. As I already said, a general diary entry is made when any kind of information is lodged and the police enters all the details in their records. Thereafter, if the police believes that there is some prima facie evidence to a cognizable offence being committed, then an FIR is registered. A general diary entry is therefore a stage prior to the FIR. A general diary entry is an internal police record, but in case of FIR, a copy is given to the complainant. A cognizable crime covers, for example, rape, murder, dacoity, rioting, that is crimes where arrest can be made without a warrant, and such crimes are of serious nature. On the other hand, a non-cognizable crime covers, for example, fraud, forgery, cheating, bigamy, creating a public nuisance, etc., where arrest cannot be made without a warrant, and those crimes are not of serious nature. Now, however, we know that all isn't rosy in the police station. The police in charge might refrain from taking your FIR. What to do in that case? Stay tuned for my next video where I will tell you how to deal with it. Till then, stay aware and stay informed. This is Advocate Afreen Hussain signing out.